if WhatsApp calls are not showing on POCO M8 Pro, here's what you can do to try to solve these issues. So the first thing that you can do is we can go to settings. And then over here in settings, we should be able to scroll down to apps. There we go. Over here, scroll down in apps, and then we should be able to find WhatsApp. There we go. Now in here, you want to open app permissions, and you want to make sure that all necessary permissions are granted in here. So we can grant permission to call logs over here, to camera, contacts, and so on and so forth. Location might not be necessary, but we can grant access to microphone, music and audio, nearby devices. There we go. The phone app, the phone permission, photos and videos as well, and messaging. Now, if permissions are not the issue, then you can also go to notifications, and you can make sure that all these notifications are actually enabled. You might also need to open the app in order to go into the specific notifications within the app, and you can check if everything is set up there properly as well. And also you can find notification categories here at the bottom. In my case, I don't have them, but if you use the app, then you can probably find a bunch of different categories in there, so you can check if everything is set up over there as well. Now, if that is not really the issue, what you can also do is you can go to notifications and status bar. Then over here we can tap on lock screen, and you can at least temporarily make sure that the content is visible. So if you have hidden content, you can make it visible, at least for now, to see if that makes any difference. And if that doesn't make any difference, you can of course revert that change. You can just uninstall the WhatsApp completely from your phone, and then install it again from the Play Store. And remember that you will need to sign into your account again, so you need to make sure that you know the password to your account. And hopefully after reinstalling the app, everything will be fine. And also remember about rebooting your phone. So if you restart your phone, it might be quite helpful as well. That is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.